Welcome to Cheese in Depth. I'm Michael Landis, and today we're talking with Adam Harris. He is the Senior Ambassador for Basil Hayden's Bourbon. And we're going to pair up Basil Hayden's bourbons with Beemster.
Hey everybody, this is Adam Harris, Senior Ambassador for Basil Hayden, and I am so excited to share a little bit of bourbon with your Beemster cheese today. You know, Basil Hayden bourbon is one of our small batch bourbons. It is a high rye bourbon, which gives it an elegant spice to go along with its complex flavor and light body. I think that it's a great bourbon for entertaining. It's a great bourbon to welcome friends with because of that approachable proof and that wonderful elegant spice that it has. Really delivers everything you want in a good bourbon. It pairs very well with cheese, and so what I'd like to do is raise a glass and kick it back over to my friend Michael Landis, who's going to talk a little bit more about Beemster cheese. Cheers.
For your pairing with the Beemster Classic cheese, you'll want to bring the cheese out of refrigeration at least 1 hour before you're ready to serve. This allows it to be able to bring out all the very rich flavors that the cheese has to offer.
All right, so let's go ahead and pair our Basil Hayden bourbon with cheese. What I like to do when I'm doing a tasting is I like to first taste my bourbon. Basil Hayden has that approachable 80 proof and that nice elegant spice with the vanilla and caramel in the back note. I move it around my tongue to get a really nice sense of the flavor, and then as the whiskey starts to finish, I take a bite of the cheese. And as those flavors start to blend together, and those aromas start to blend together, I like to take a little more sip of the bourbon and wash it down. Simple as that. It's a great way to enjoy Basil Hayden and Beemster, and a great way to share with friends. Cheers.
Cheers.